Did you change command prompt settings and now want to restore them? Maybe the font looks different, the window behaves strangely, or commands no longer open the way you expect. In this guide, I'll show you how to reset CMD's settings safely, including the window layout, startup behavior, and user-specific configuration. Start by opening command prompt normally. Right-click the title bar and select Properties. You'll see settings for the font, layout, colors, and other options. If you've customized these settings, switch them back to the Window's defaults. You can use the default font and standard window size as a starting point. If the window size or position is the problem, open the Layout tab. Check the window size and position settings, then apply your preferred defaults. If you see an option related to remembering the window position, adjust it based on how you want CMD to open in the future. Another useful option is Defaults. Open Command Prompt, right-click the title bar and select Defaults. Changes made here affect the default settings used by Command Prompt. If you're unsure which setting caused the problem, restoring the defaults is usually easier than changing every option manually. If you're trying to clear the commands you've recently typed, close the current command prompt window and open a new one. CMD keeps command history for the current session, and starting a new session gives you a fresh history. You can also use the doskey/reinstall command to reset the command history buffer. If CMD starts with an unexpected command or message every time it opens, an autorun setting may be involved. You can inspect the command processor autorun configuration from the Windows registry, but be careful. The registry contains important Windows settings, so don't delete or modify entries unless you know exactly what you're changing. After changing settings, close every command prompt window and open a fresh one. Test basic commands such as dir, cd, and help. If CMD behaves normally again, your settings have been successfully restored. This simple restart is easy to overlook, and that's how to reset command prompt settings. Start with Properties and Defaults, refresh the command history, and only investigate registry settings if CMD has unusual startup behavior. If the problem is more than a visual setting, you may need Windows troubleshooting instead. So, reset the simple settings first and avoid unnecessary registry changes.